What color is this?
Red.
What color is this?
Yellow.
And this one?
Brown. Brown.
Brownie orange. And what's this?
Green.
And this?
Green.
And?
Blue. Blue.
What color should Gravedigger get?
Green.
Okay. Let's put him in front of green. He goes there. Scooby-Doo gets brown. Orangey brown. Megalodon gets blue. Who gets pink?
This.
Ooh, Taxi gets yellow.
This. Sparkle
Fire
Smash.
Truck gets red.
This.
Sparkle Smash gets pink. That's a good idea. Should we paint?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go off this ramp
Yeah.
and off the jump and onto this painting.
Yes.
Ready?
Ready. Cheese.
Say ready.
Ready.
Okay, should we put the paint in here?
Yeah.
Should we do, we'll put red in here? In here?
Yeah. Ew. Oh, ew.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Don't touch it. Yellow?
Yeah. In here.
Where?
In here.
Which one?
In here.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, ew.
And Scooby-Doo's color?
Yeah.
Wait, watch out. Scooby-Doo goes in here.
Red. Yes, that's my painting. That's my painting. What's one?
Pink?
But smashing one pink. That's my pink.
Ooh.
What is this exactly goes? Last one.
Uh-oh, we only have room for one more.
Green.
Maybe we'll get another container, okay? Green's more liquidy. This is gonna be a big mess.
Maybe next.
We need one for blue.
One for blue. Yes.
Okay, and blue for Megalodon. Okay, that's all.
That's all. Look at painting monster truck.
The fire truck for red.
Scooby-Doo what's red?
Scooby-Doo's brown. Try Scooby-Doo. Dip him. Dip his nose in, and then go off the ramp. Okay, go off the ramp. That's good.
He's tired. He's tired. Miss!
Okay, fire truck.
Fire truck says red.
Let's go. Put him down.
Oh. Ew. Fire red. Put it down.
Ooh.
Wow.
What about pink?
Start to smash.
Smash.
I want melon.
Okay, let's see Sparkle Smash first. Oh, didn't do it. Megalodon's turn. In blue. It's too slow now. We got a big cleanup here. Look at your trucks.
Scooby-Doo?
Go down the ramp.
Oh. Yes.
Go. Put them down. Ready, set. Okay. Bo, go get them. Grave digger's green.
Oh!
Okay, put them down.
Pink.
Put them down. Now you're mixing them.
Wait, we made it. Whoa! It's dancing. It's dancing. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Go.
Okay. Go. Whoa. Whoa. Wait, that's red.
Okay.
Oh, Scooby-Doo! Scooby-Doo!
Yeah.
Oh!
Okay, go.
Scooby-Doo!
Get some pink in there. Get some pink in there. Go. Too slow.
Oh, you're proud. Smash. You step pink. Oh,
Okay, go. Sparkle Smash's turn.
whoa, you got green.
Put it down.
You got green.
Put them down.
You got red. Yellow.
He's got it all the colors.
Loud.
Okay, Bo, send it down. Send it. Ready, set.
He's dancing, guys. He's dancing. He's dancing.
Why are you eating it?
Ducks. What are your trucks? I like Scooby-Doo.
Okay, get Scooby-Doo. Keep it color separated so it's better. We need more yellow. More yellow.
What the? That's so Scooby-Doo.
Go.
I want another magic at this. Then hands.
You want to paint your hands? Okay, dip your hands in. Okay, now go to the, put them on the paper. Good job. Perfect.
That's Ohlie.
Okay, you want to wash your hands? What a mess, Bo. Put your hands on here. Handprint. Handprint. No, that's good.
18.
Are we all done?
It's put on hands.
That's a good handprint. Better than Bo's. Are we all done? It's pretty good painting.
I think that's it. I don't want to touch too.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
You should take your shirts off, I think.
Yes. Yeah, I do. What about TV? Yeah. What else is
Come in.
Thank you.